Are you still wondering if it's the right time to invest in AI stocks? Maybe you've seen the headlines and watched the rapid growth of companies like Nvidia, but you're not sure if it's too late to jump in. What if I told you that some of these stocks could be just getting started and there's still plenty of upside ahead? If you're thinking about adding AI to your investment strategy, or you're already in the game and wondering which stocks have the most room to run, you're in the right place. In the next few minutes, we're going to take a look at 5 AI stocks that are positioned to keep growing and why they might be exactly what your portfolio needs. Whether you're a seasoned investor or just starting out, these picks could provide the long-term growth you're looking for. So stick around, because the next few years could be game-changing for AI, and you don't want to miss out on these opportunities. Number 1 on our list is Nvidia, ticker NVDA. At this point, who else doesn't know Nvidia? A company that has been at the forefront of AI growth. If you've heard anything about AI, you've likely heard of Nvidia's graphics processing units, GPUs. These chips are essential to the power behind AI systems, and the demand for them is only growing as AI becomes more complex. GPUs are what power large language models, LLMs, and enable machine learning systems to process vast amounts of data. Nvidia's GPUs are a critical part of AI's development, and this means the company is in a prime position to benefit from the AI boom. But what really sets Nvidia apart from its competitors is its CUDA software platform. If you're an AI developer, chances are you're using CUDA to program and optimize your work. This widespread adoption has given Nvidia a dominant market share in the GPU market, and it's not slowing down anytime soon. The best part? Nvidia isn't just sitting on its laurels. The company is speeding up its chip design process, going from a multi-year cycle to releasing new GPUs every year. With advanced technology and a wide moat protecting its market share, Nvidia seems like a strong investment choice for anyone looking to benefit from AI's growth. But before we proceed, here's a question. If AI is the future, which company do you think will dominate the market in the next decade? Comment your thoughts below. Number 2, Broadcom, ticker AVGO. Another major player in the AI space. Broadcom is often overshadowed by companies like Nvidia, but its role in AI infrastructure is just as crucial. While Nvidia dominates the GPU market, Broadcom is making strides in networking technology. The company's Ethernet switches and network interface cards, NICs, are key components in AI data centers, helping to manage the massive amounts of data that flow between GPUs. Here's the kicker. Broadcom is positioning itself as a competitor to Nvidia's InfiniBand technology. InfiniBand has traditionally been used to connect GPUs in high-performance computing systems, but Broadcom believes its Ethernet technology can handle AI workloads even better, offering faster data transfers and more scalability. But Broadcom's biggest opportunity lies in helping customers build custom AI chips. The company is working closely with several large clients to create chips tailored to specific needs, whether that's higher power efficiency or more computing power. With such a broad market and numerous industries relying on AI, Broadcom stands to gain a lot from this emerging opportunity. Broadcom's ability to innovate and adapt to the changing needs of the AI industry positions it as a major player in the tech world, and their focus on next-gen networking is likely to pay off as demand for AI infrastructure continues to soar. Number 3, Microsoft, ticker MSFT. A company that's fully embraced AI, especially with its investment in OpenAI, the creators of ChatGPT. Microsoft's Azure cloud platform has become a go-to solution for businesses looking to implement AI, allowing them to create their own AI agents, chatbots, and more. And it's no wonder that Azure's revenue has been growing at an impressive rate, with 33% growth just last quarter. But there's more. Microsoft is also using AI to enhance its software products within Microsoft 365. Imagine having an AI assistant that helps you manage your calendar, answer emails, and even suggest edits for your documents. all powered by AI. And with enterprise users paying around $30 per month for these advanced tools, the potential for revenue growth is massive. Microsoft has already proven itself as an AI leader, but its biggest opportunities might still be ahead. As AI continues to be integrated into more of its products, Microsoft could see significant long-term growth, especially as demand for AI solutions continues to rise. Whether it's cloud computing or software, Microsoft is increasingly becoming a major player in the AI space. But before we move on, here's another thought. Do you think AI will become as indispensable as the internet in the next few decades? How do you see AI shaping your daily life in the near future? Comment your thoughts below. Number 4, AppLovin ticker, APP. A company that's changing the way mobile games reach their audiences. AppLovin's AI-powered ad tech platform, Axon 2.0, has been a huge success since its launch. The platform helps mobile gaming companies acquire new customers and maximize their revenue through targeted advertising. The AI is smart. It learns user preferences and helps games get in front of the right people at the right time. What's more, AppLovin's growth has been explosive. The company is expecting revenue from gaming customers to grow by 20% to 30% per year. But the real potential lies in expanding Axon 2.0 beyond gaming. AppLovin has already started testing the platform in the e-commerce sector, and early results are promising. If AppLovin can replicate its success from gaming to e-commerce, there's huge potential for further growth in the coming years. AppLovin's ability to leverage AI to target the right customers for both gaming and e-commerce makes it a compelling investment option, especially as the digital advertising market continues to evolve. The broader adoption of AI technology in advertising could significantly increase the value of AppLovin's platform. Number 5, SoundHound ticker, Sound. A company focused on AI-driven voice technology. You might have heard of SoundHound from its success in the automotive and restaurant industries, where its voice recognition technology helps customers interact with products and services through voice commands. But the company's potential goes far beyond these sectors. With its recent acquisition of Amelia, a conversational AI platform, SoundHound is expanding its reach to industries like healthcare, finance, insurance, and retail. Think about it. What if you could schedule a doctor's appointment just by speaking to your phone, or get instant responses to complex financial questions using voice commands? This is the future that SoundHound is aiming to create. The company's ability to adapt its AI voice platform to different industries makes it a unique player in the AI space. As voice technology continues to improve, SoundHound has the potential to become the go-to platform for companies looking to integrate AI-driven voice assistants into their operations. SoundHound's ability to scale across industries with different needs makes it a fascinating stock to watch, especially as the AI space continues to grow. The company could become a key player in AI voice technology across diverse markets. Looking at the table, it's clear that these AI stocks are more than just speculative investments. They're showing solid fundamentals that highlight their growth potential. Take Nvidia, for example. With a revenue of over $60 billion and a high gross margin of 75.86%, it's a prime player in the AI space, and its stock price reflects that. Meanwhile, Broadcom, with a market cap of $839 billion, continues to prove its value, especially with its growing influence in networking and custom AI chip development. Microsoft, on the other hand, stands out not only for its $245 billion in revenue, but also its solid EPS of $12.12, signaling impressive profitability. Meanwhile, AppLovin, though smaller in market cap, is demonstrating robust growth in AI-powered ad tech, making it a unique opportunity in the gaming and e-commerce sectors. And then there's SoundHound. While its financials are still in the early stages, its $6 billion market cap shows promise, especially as its voice AI technology gains traction in various industries. The numbers here aren't just stats. They showcase companies that are not only leading the AI charge, but doing so with strong financial health, making them exciting investment opportunities in the years ahead. As AI continues to transform industries, these 5 companies, Nvidia, Broadcom, Microsoft, AppLovin, and SoundHound, are well positioned to lead the charge. Whether through hardware, cloud computing, ad tech, or voice AI, each of these companies is driving the AI revolution in its own way. And as an investor, the opportunities to profit from these advancements are huge. So what's the takeaway? If you're looking to get in on the AI action, these companies are worth your attention. However, it's always important to do your own research and consider your investment goals before diving in. Keep in mind, this video is for informational purposes only and is not financial advice. Before you go, here's a quick one. How do you think AI will change your personal investments in the next 5 years? Comment your thoughts below. If you enjoyed this video, hit that like button, subscribe to the channel for more insights, and leave a comment down below with your thoughts on these AI stocks. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.